This is I guess I could call it a stove addendum. It's really about cooking on a stove that won't simmer. This is a heat diffuser. It's hollow on the inside, it's perforated. And what it'll do, it'll turn the heat down. Now, it'll take a while for it to warm up. But if you're looking, like me, you're looking to cook. First night we there, I'm cooking a pot of rice. What's left, I'll put in a Ziploc, throw in the ice chest. We need it again. And if we don't, we'll feed it to the birds. Low as it's gonna burn. Be sure it's pumped up. That's when you put your simmer plate on there. Because you got, I promise you, because we cook out here, we'll heat diffuser, baby. Your friend.